Need to log out of the YouTube app, but not sure how? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to log out of your YouTube account on the mobile app. Now let's get started. To log out of YouTube on the mobile app, open YouTube and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Select Switch Account. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap Use YouTube Signed Out. You'll then be logged out of your YouTube account. If you'd like to sign into a different account, tap You, then tap Sign In. That's all it takes to log out of the YouTube app. For more helpful YouTube tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of YouTube tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.